In this video, we are showing how to create a campaigns in our app. Open Micromatching app. Select your package and your activity after selecting package. Fill up campaign title and click on Continue button. After this, fill up your brand information like brand name, website, contact email ID and write your Instagram ID, your Facebook profile link and your TikTok ID name and save. After create brand information, select your brand, add your caption, your hashtag and instruction and guideline and select your social media accounts and click continue. Choose your creative action. After then upload your creative like your social media post, your social media reel, your social media video, and your social media story. Showing pop-up for confirmation. And you show your campaign in your screen in active section. And you can also view your campaign details. For more information, join our channel now.